I wonder guys why there's no a lot of people are swimming here. But if you are scared of heights, then don't go there. So we're finally here in our room guys, and I'm going to give you a full room tour here in Da Nang. That's where we are staying, and then let's go. So let's go inside. You're gonna put your key over there and your luggage. I'm going to put it in here. So this is going to be our room, everybody, for our stay here in Da Nang. Yeah, this is it. Actually guys, it's looking super amazing. Like, look at that. A bathtub. Wow. And of course they got some hot and cold shower and a big mirror over there. Let's go inside guys, and you can make some coffee over there. Yeah, you can put your stuff. My bag is already over there. What is this? I don't know what is this guys, but this is our bed guys. Look at that, it's super amazing. Wow. You know what guys, how much is this per night? This one is 9,425 pesos per night. Do you think this one is worth it guys? Let me know. So you have a study table as well over there, and you can just sit in over there and you can film yourself over there. You got some big mirror over there also, like, you know. But during night time, just don't look at yourself over there. You're gonna be scared. Just kidding guys, kidding aside. But this one, this hotel guys, is really super amazing. Super looking good. Like yeah, I'm living like a rich right now. Rich style place. Like this one actually guys is free also. You got some sofa here as well, like, you know, chill. Yeah, and eat some fruits of that over there. And we are just very close to the My Khe Beach. Yeah, My Khe Beach guys. I don't know how to read it. My Khe Beach. Okay, My Khe Beach. So yes guys, and this is our front areas. Yeah, and there's a lot of tall building in there. Actually guys, the weather right now is kinda cool. Like, it's quiet, cooler guys. Yeah, so I was a little bit cold earlier, but I'm glad I bring something also to cover myself. But let's, oh my goodness guys, I'm really super amazed by this room, everyone. Like, God, thank you God for letting me experience this. Like, yeah, if you have, you know, if you're going to visit here in Da Nang, then you have the idea, if you like luxurious places, like you have any idea where to stay. Like, as you can see, it's super very nice. So hi guys, we're actually now here at the top area, like where you can see this beautiful in there, like infinity pool. I wonder guys why there's no a lot of people are swimming here. I think it's because of the weather. It's kinda cold for me guys. Like, I was about to go swimming earlier, but I couldn't do it because the wind, you know, it's blowing me super hard. Then I cannot really do it because I'm cold. Like, it's when we arrive here, the weather been super crazy. Yeah, but actually it's very nice guys. Like, yeah, it's super nice in here. But if you are scared of heights, then don't go there. So that, you know, you visit here in the Vietnam, like, you have an idea where you want to stay, like, especially if you want to choose a luxurious type of hotel.